Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make vegetable egg sauce. So if you want to learn how I make my vegetable egg sauce, then keep watching. So we're going to start by washing our vegetables. I'll be using vinegar to wash the vegetable in order to get rid of those bacteria in the veggies. You can also choose to use salt, cooking salt, to wash your vegetables, okay? It's always good to wash your vegetables very well. You wash it properly because most of these vegetables are being imported. You don't know the process that it took them to bring this vegetable to where you are. So you have to wash it very well to really get rid of those bacteria from the veggies. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be needing to make this vegetable sauce. I have fresh tomatoes over there, and I'll be using bell pepper, yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. I also have some cloves of garlic, and also I have paprika and some Scotch bonnets. I have some onions, and spinach. I'll be using organic eggs to make this egg sauce. If you are getting egg in the market, please make sure to get organic eggs. It's very healthier to use organic eggs. And I'll be using my sunflower oil for this recipe. So for the spices, I'll be using turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good to incorporate in this meal. I'll be using black pepper. And I have my curry powder over there. And I'll be using ginger powder, or you can choose to use fresh ginger. And my stock cubes. And of course, my salt to taste. So let's start the process. So you put a pot on fire, and then I will be adding a little vegetable oil. You can choose to use any other vegetable oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, granite oil, any oil of your choice. But I'll be using sunflower oil for this recipe. You allow the oil to heat a little, and then you'll be adding the onion. You saute the onions for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will be adding garlic. So you want to add the garlic now, and then you give it a stir. You saute again for another half a minute. So after that, we'll be adding our tomatoes, our chopped tomatoes. You'll be adding it now. You can choose to chop your veggies anyhow you want. You can choose to dice it. You can choose to slice your veggies any shape you want to, okay? It doesn't matter. So after adding the tomatoes, you want to give that a proper stir. So we're going to leave the tomatoes in the pot and the onions and garlic for up to 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, we are back. We'll be adding our veggies, the paprika, red bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. And we'll also be adding our Scotch bonnet. And you give that a proper stir. So after giving it a proper stir, we're going to be adding our seasoning cubes. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. I'll be adding half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and I'll be adding also salt. It depends on the quantity of food you're making that determines the ingredients that you incorporate. Now I'll be adding the black pepper to it, okay? And just maybe like half a teaspoon of black pepper. And then you give that a proper stir. So after giving it a stir, you want to cover it and allow it to steam a little. Now we'll be beating 6 eggs. I will be adding 6 eggs for this recipe. You want to beat the eggs very well. I didn't add any salt or any other ingredients to the egg. Just beat only the eggs without adding any additional ingredients. So now the food have been steaming for like 2 minutes. Now we're going to give it a stir. And after giving it a stir, we'll be adding the eggs. When you're adding the eggs to the pot, you don't stir immediately after adding the eggs. After adding the eggs, you cover the pot and allow it to steam for 1 to 2 minutes. If you don't want your eggs to be too scattered in the pot, if you want to be seeing some big chunks of egg in your sauce, so this is the method you have to incorporate. When you add the eggs, you leave it to cook for like 1 to 2 minutes before stirring. In that way, you can see some big chunks of egg in your sauce, okay? At this point, you want to test for salt, you want to test for seasoning, if everything is okay. If you add salt or if you want to add other ingredients. So now I'll be adding the spinach. When you add the spinach, you know that our food is almost ready. So you want to give that a proper stir. If you're watching to this moment and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please guys, press on that subscribe button. And also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my upload. It's free of charge. It doesn't cost a thing for you to subscribe, okay? And I want to especially thank all my old subscribers for always coming back to watch my content. I really appreciate your genuine support. Thank you for watching my content. Thank you for sharing me out. Thank you for referring me to others. And I want to say, may God bless you and bless your household. So here we have our vegetable head sauce. And I will be stepping this down with some unripe plantain, some boiled unripe plantain. Okay, unripe plantain is very good, it's filled with iron. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.